Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to discuss the ResNet 101 model and how to implement ResNet 101 for image classification with demo. The demo with the help of Google Colab we can now. So before that, we heard now about some basics of ResNet 1 because ResNet 101 is one of the deep learning and deep neural network model. It consists of lot of features here. Generally, this ResNet one is placed for image classification, object detection, semantic segmentation, and so many things here. And once come to the ResNet one, the name implies it have a lot of benefits here and specialties here. The ResNet 101 having the 101 layers and also introduce the skip connections here. These skip connections and other specialties helpful to avoid the gradient vanishing problem in the network sector here. So once come to the point of this ResNet one, plenty of things is there, and it's one where you can say exactly is one of the backbone and necessary for transfer learning. So if you want to, for example, in the real time, if you want to detect the tumor in X-rays or CT scan, everything, where we can use the pre-trained ResNet one with transfer learning also. So you can lot of ways there we can implement this ResNet one with the help of transfer learning, and moreover it will help you to achieve the top one accuracy and etc. So let's go for the demo. So if you want to use the I want thank for this uh, GitHub website where we can import the packages like import torch, and we can give directly models. So once come to the ResNet one backdoor, we need support of ImageNet classes also, and we can give it will display the information like what are the models is there like that, and then we can go for ResNet. So if you want to use the ResNet, we can give the version because ResNet having the version like ResNet 50, ResNet 101, ResNet 152, and so on. And after that, we can get the information like this. So whatever the one based on the architecture it will vary, and most of the are similar and having some difference. Relu, but because once you know CNN, you can understand this ResNet and everything properly. So after giving some time, it will move on there, and then we can give the import transform, and we can pre-process. So if you want to pre-process, we need the function like transport dot compose of, where you can use the size, because if you have some image, there will be sizes there, and we can open the image and check it out. So once you give the ResNet one, it will display the image like a picture of dog here. So very nice. So once go for the Python with Google app with ResNet one, you can exactly get everything. After that, we can give the pre-processed image again, and shape. If you want, you can change the shape, and generally it will be in the size of 224 bar 224 only, and where you can get the batch size, and again you can give the validations. After giving some time, it go on, move on to the next one. So just information, give the architecture and so on, reload everything, bottleneck and so on, and then it will give the information like a batch information, batch and normalization information. So whatever the data you have, whatever the data set for that one, we can train ResNet one with the help of pre-trained ResNet with the help of transfer learning here, where we can get more accuracy, and we can reduce the information where you give the line called percentage equal to .net functions of softmax. Then we can give then at last it give the information like this. So like that we can achieve image classification. Just know the dog image, we can achieve the image classification with the help of this ResNet one not one here. Later, if you go with the transfer learning, we can go move for some other operations like object detection, what are how many objects in the image, and so on and so on and so on. I hope that you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with the friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.